Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the layout on a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Microsoft PowerPoint, whatever PowerPoint slide specifically you want to change the layout for. And then underneath the Home tab, there should be something that says Layout. Click the drop down and you can select a different layout for that particular tab or that particular slide. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.